here I got another eBay package. My speaker finally came. It's a Bogan S810 speaker. I'm gonna box it for you guys. So let's move on. Got the shipping labels off. Hopefully the speaker came in good condition. But I only paid $10 for it, but I still want it to come in good condition. It means it's hard to get at a low price. There's the speaker. Very nice. Came in the original box. Looks like the Bogan S86 speaker, a little bit. But it's the S810 speaker. Got all the mounting hardware for it. Very nice. It is different than the S86 speaker for sure. Looks like it has been tested or something like that before. We'll have to shoot the wires. Other than that, it's really nice. It has a whizzer cone. It's hard to see though. So yeah, in good condition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.